tiny. Look. Smaller than my pinky. Good. Hi, cutie pie. Hello.
I call them the crumpers.
Hey, one has a hairstyle.
Look at the size of that rooster. What's the rooster's name?
Daddy JJ. Daddy JJ. Daddy JJ.
Daddy JJ.
Dad, Jason and
They don't let you pick them up?
no, they do. It only lets Mom do it. The little chicken, not rooster taco. This one has hairstyle.
This is the little house. There they are. Look at them. Say hello. Hello, babies.
Grandma, you want to see the bunnies?
She got one.
That one has a hairstyle. I know.
Say hello.
I know. That one has a hairstyle.
Yeah.
I know.
And they have bunnies. Let's go over here and look at the bunnies.
We have only two bunnies.
Two bunnies.
A black one died.
The black one passed away. And here are the rabbits. So hello. They got names? What's their names?
That one is Hef Jr. And that one's Oreo.
Oh, nice. Nice names.
But Mom calls that one meat. Because it's big and fat. You want to hear the names of these? Oreo and Hef Jr. But Mom calls that brown one meat.
Oh, nice.
They're really nice. But that brown one.
What's up, Chicken and Shells? Rocking and rolling. We're at the house. We just got back from one of the sales we went and visited a while ago. We didn't have nothing to sell. We have actually sold out. We went on a trip last week, so we had to get rid of a bunch of birds. So we sold out of our birds. So we're kind of behind right now, but we will be back out at Croker Mill as soon as we can, as soon as we get some lovely birds. But just on a short little trip out there this morning, we saw some good friends and saw some wonderful, beautiful birds. Hope y'all enjoy that. But Miss Rita went out there and she went into the eggs and she found a baby egg. Look how small this egg is. She is making scrambled eggs right now. Went out to the coop. This is one of our chickens that laid an egg. Look how small that thing is. It ain't no bigger than a 50-cent piece. It almost looks like a quail egg or a pigeon egg. But anyway, we went out there. The Boy Scouts were selling beef jerky, pork jerky is what I call it. They're called pork sticks, but they're made from country meats. And they're selling beef jerky out there. We tasted them, and they're pretty good. The number 9 tastes like an A1. The bold teriyaki tastes pretty decently. And the original smoke hickory, it's okay. It's like your normal regular beef jerky. It's plain Jane. But the other twos are pretty good. If y'all running out there, y'all make sure y'all see the Boy Scouts there inside. They got a table set up. You get 3 sticks for $5. Y'all go check them out. And they do have lots of other flavors. So enjoy the little video that's coming up. Y'all have a blessed day. And always remember, healthy flock. I say it backwards every time. Happy flock, healthy eggs. Y'all enjoy the show. Today, Johnny. You got to do an interview.
Yeah.
Now, where you going?
He put 50 some eggs in that thing, and I think that he's up to 34.
Buy a whole dozen eggs.
Two breeding pairs in there. You get a rooster and a hen.
You get a rooster and a hen. How much are they?
$25 per pair.
That's not bad. And these are
They're all roosters.
they're all roosters. Wow. Yeah, they're bougie.
Get on the plastic, they're on the hay.
Yeah.
That plastic, it gets hot. They,
Hello.
they should start laying within the next 4 weeks or so. Should start laying eggs.
Is that all you got? Is silkies?
Yeah, that's all I've got. I have.
Is that all you raise?
No, I don't really care for silkies, but a lot of people like them, so
Uh-huh.
that's why I raise them.
Aren't they pretty?
What else do you have?
We sold them before we went to Idaho.
We had
We
to.
just got home.
You got left any?
Oh, we got the main group, but we sold all the ones that we were selling. Guy come by and bought them all. Hello.
Got a male for 100 and a male for 120.
Mm-hmm. Y'all come on down here to
Coker meal.
Coker Mill. Get y'all some birds. I say croaker. It's close enough, ain't it? Yeah. Got some roosters, pretty colors. Americanas. Are they roosters and hens or what? All roosters.
So all those Americanos are roosters?
Wow. You got some little bitties. Got some hatching eggs. Eating eggs. Y'all come out and get some.
What are these? Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I thought you said your stuff. Excuse me. What are these? Well,
He said they're chickens. He said they're chickens.
There's a large white Brahman. We raise only Brahman.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I got some of those. Yeah.
Got the feathers on the feet.
So they're light Brahmas?
Light Brahman.
Light Brahmas. I
Yeah.
got one of those.
Well, there's 10 to the box. They are how they're not, but
What's up, all my chicken people? The labs are out. The zombies are out. Samanis are out. How y'all doing? Hello? They're eating some grass. Grayson's being nosy. Snowflake won't be quiet this morning. Good morning, girl. That's my hard-working girl right there. When I start working in these coops, she's right behind me. Hello, fat butt. We got to do the nasty. Y'all know how it is. Hey y'all, we are cleaning out the coops this morning because it's kind of cool. I got the fan on. Went to Coker Meal yesterday. Got some domestic earth. If you're having problems with flies and the smelly, that's midnight. He's saying it's time to eat, but I gotta do some work first. Get you some domestic earth, sprinkle it in your coop. It will help tremendously. Hot weather's coming, flies are coming. Domestic earth, some lime will help tremendously. Tractor Supply, Coker Meal, any of your food stores that carry stuff, carries feed, gonna have this. We do lime and domestic earth. Y'all give it a shot. Y'all give it a try. Take a flour swifter, or however you call it, kitchen utensil. We spread it out. Took about 3 scoops. This is about a 10 by 30 pen. Always keep water. Summertime's coming. Next weekend's gonna be like 102. Make sure you keep water, your birds, and put some hydrate in it. Go to Tractor Supply, get you some little packets. Put the electrolytes in your water because it's gonna be hot.
Shit. 2 months from now, they'll be lame. They don't care about that.
What's up, all my chicken folks? We're out here feeding the birds. We got a little bully going on. Look at my labs. We got a little bullying going on. The white leghorns want to pick on the other chickens, so we got to separate them.
Come here, fat butt.
She's getting them all up. The white leghorns want to pick on our little physically challenged birds, but now we got them their own cage now.
There you go, baby.
Now they ain't got to worry about it. This one has a little bit of walking problem. She's had it since she got hurt, but we keep her isolated. And they love picking on this one's rear end for some reason. And we put all kinds of medicine on it and they still pick at it. So we kind of keep them isolated.
They're best friends anyway.
Yeah.
There you
And
go,
then
Mama.
there's your Cheeky Cheeks.
That's not Cheeky Cheek.
Where's Cheeky Cheek?
Cheeky Cheek ran.
Oh.
Those are gonna be your chicken and pastry if they keep being
Yeah,
mean.
chicken and pastries right there. There's some mean leghorns.
We just took them out of the AM
There's 4 of them.
pens. Yes, I told you this.
4 leghorns.
There's Cheeky
There's
Chicken.
Cheeky Cheek right there.
Cheeky Cheek.
They are bullies.
You know, I'm about ready to put them in with the real bully.
Well, they might turn into chicken and shells. If y'all heading out and about today, go over there to Coker Meal. They got the flock and swap. We ain't set up this morning.
Coker Meal.
Coker Meal, however you say it. Y'all have a blessed day. Time for the chickens to mow the grass. Hello. Choco. Choco. Get down, girl. What do you say, Cheeky Cheek?
Or the cheeky cheek. Her mama cheeky cheek.
Spoiled, rotten chicken.
That's right.
Look at her stretched out.
Her mama baby.
Say hello.
Hers mama baby. Hers mama baby. Yes, her is.
What kind of chicken is that?
Get out
A
her.
spoiled chicken.
Huh?
A
spoiled
spoiled
baby.
chicken.
A spoiled baby. Hers is so cute. Like the mama baby.
I don't know.
Jealous, jealous, jealous. because a Cheeky Cheek is in the house.
They like eggs too. This is the AM Samani / zombie pen. They got a new pool. Look, they're wanting some. Hold on. There they go. They're getting their eggs. There you go. Let's give them some. I'm just gonna throw theirs over. There they go. Look at that. They love their eggs, bud. Y'all want some too? There you go. Dang. Where's little mama? Talk about go crazy. These little guys are going crazy over scrambled eggs.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing this afternoon? Well, excuse me, midday. We went to Amazon and bought a 90% shade cloth because the way the sun is setting in the afternoons, it's coming down and it's just heating this whole coop up. So we went to Amazon. 90% shade cloth helps out a great deal. The sun is straight above me, which you probably can't see, but the sun is straight above me right now, and look how shaded it is in here for these little mommies. Also, the hot weather's coming and it's 90 degrees today. It's gonna be 99 today. We got swimming pools inside to keep the water cool in both coops. And all the coops say hello, hello, hello. Just something else to keep your chickens cool in this heat. You know, North Carolina gets hot and my hair's a mess because I'm rubbing it in this stuff. But I got some wood, I'm gonna pick it up like that. This also holds water, not like a tarp would. It slowly drains through. But it's perfect for your chickens. It is absolutely perfect to keep the shade on them during the day. So